These are the elevators at the Hyatt Place and Hyatt House in downtown Tampa, Florida. For ThyssenKrupps, I believe ThyssenKrupp Evolution. And these are key carded, so I don't think we're gonna go very far. Only 3. Let's send this one down, see if they're probably all locked off, but let's just see. 3, as you can see here, is a parking level. So, kind of a shame that these are locked off, but let's just see if we can get on one. I didn't get it on camera, but this chime is pretty loud. This one, not so much, just to show you. Kind of weird. But let's just see if we can get another elevator. We got 2 of them. And these 2 both have rear doors. So, again, probably same thing. They both, all these are locked. So let's just go to 1. They all have security cameras too, so.
Floor 1 going up.
Let's just see if this goes up. It is, I think. Yeah. I'm just gonna get off wherever it goes. 8, I think.
Floor 8.
Going down? Alright. I was not expecting that. It opened on the rear door. Can't really see the floors passing through there. Yeah, there are plenty of cameras here, so we're actually just going to end the video down here.
Floor 1.
But before we do, I guess there is this map right here. There's another elevator in the far corner, likely a service. That'll be it.